Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello Mr. Doni and hello all to my friend who watch this video. Let me introduce myself. My name is Adinda Rahman, usually called Dinda. On this occasion, I will present a report on the result of an interview regarding stress in the work environment and its impact on employee mental health. Okay, in chapter 1, I will introduce the research topic. The work environment is a form of things around employee that they feel able to influence the individual in carrying out the work assigned. Not only that, the work environment can also have a positive influence and positive significance of employee performance. The work environment is one of the variables that can influence employee performance. With a conducive work environment, it is possible for employees' productivity to increase and vice versa. A work environment that is less conducive can also increase or reduce employee productivity so that maximum work output and be achieved. Apart from that, a non-conducive work environment can also cause stress of employees. Work stress is a condition where a worker experiences tension due to disturbance from the environment around where they work. In general, work stress can also disrupt the psychology of workers. So, work stress is still closely related to the condition of the work environment. According to Handoko, stress is a condition of tension that affects a person's thought process, emotion, and condition. Too stressful too much can threaten a person's ability to deal with the environment and will ultimately interfere with their duties. Work stress can be influenced by other factors such as company factor and personal factor. Company factor include the demands of the task assigned and role demands, namely that an employee must be willing to do what company want regardless of the professionally determined time, and finally the pressure factor given by fellow employees. Determinant time, and finally the pressure factor given by fellow employees. Personal factor include circumstance in an employee situation, whether it is a problem involving his family or other problems such as economic condition. Job stress is considered a dangerous part of the workplace environment which can seriously harm employee well-being. There be the triggering mental health disorders. Therefore, it is important for every company, especially bosses, to pay more attention to the importance of preventing and promoting mental health in the workplace. Mental health in the workplace is often overlooked even though it has long been known that worker health is a key factor in determining an organization's long-term effectiveness. Mental health can have an impact on the quality of a company in achieving its expected goals or target. Not only physical health but employee mental health factor must also be considered. Mental health is a condition of balance between condition physical and psychological because the two are interconnected and mutually strengthen each other so that they can help individuals adapt to their surrounding environment. With the explanation above, the others aim in making this report it is provide direct evidence regarding employee work stress which can affect mental health and prove how important is to maintain employee mental health in the work environment. Next, explain why it is important. The others I am in making this report is so that every organization in the company can understand and care about employee mental health so that it does not cause work stress in employee. Next, methodology. Explain how the research was done. Types are research and description of the population. This type of research as descriptive research method with quantitative analysis. Quantitative methods are methods that involve uncovering solutions to current problems based on actual data, namely by presenting data, analyzing, and interpreting. In this case, quantitative methods are used to determine the level of work stress in employees and its impact on employee mental health. The population in this study were employees at a private company in West Jakarta in the financial department. Next, data collection technique. The data collection technique used in this research is an interview technique, namely the author interview on one of the employees the international trade by asking questions or to collect data information about the work environment, work stress and impact on mental health, and coping mechanism. In this research, I will refer to employee as S, which means subject. Next, go to the conclusion. Based on the research result, it can be concluded that a work environment that is not conducive, especially superiors who do not care about employees' mental health, can cause work stress in employees. Employees who experience work stress can disturb their mental health, which can lead to distressed employee performance. Therefore, regarding work stress, companies need to pay attention to work stress experienced by employee by creating a conducive work atmosphere, like employees getting you your workload according to your portion. Companies can consider it encouraging human research in division that have a busy work hours with a heavy workload loads. Companies must pay attention to social support to improve psychological well-being by holding family gathering that aim to build emotion times improve communication between subordinates and superiors and understand that the company's success in the success of the employees. Okay, that's all my video. Sorry for the shortcoming. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.